Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to check in inside EasyJet application. So all you need to do basically is just go and open the app first. Then make sure to go and click on trips at the bottom in the middle. You may find, of course, bookings as well. Just go and click on that. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. You can either sign in into an account if you have an account, if you already book your or buy your tickets using this account, or you can just go and click on add booking at the top right. Once you click on that, here you'll have two options. You'll have booking reference and also last name. Make sure to fill in these informations like the name, or maybe they may ask you also for the passport or ID details. Just enter any informations needed. Once you go and do that, of course, before getting the boarding pass, you will have to either pick a set or skip, and then it will be auto assigned. Of course, you'll be asked to choose a set or to choose a seat once you buy the tickets, but in check-in as well, you may have the option to do that as well. So once you choose all of that, once you confirm all your informations, just tap on check-in and then you'll get your boarding pass in your application. All you need to do just save it, screenshot it, and it will be scanned, of course, at the airport. Keep in mind that some airports doesn't accept uh, digitalized boarding pass, so you'll have to print it out. So you'll have to check depending on the airports that you're going at. But of course, most airports accept the digital boarding pass, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you can check in if there's a problem, maybe you're too early or maybe you're too late. So if there's some wrong details, it won't generate your boarding pass. And if there's an app bug, just go always try the browser. The browser will be much smoother. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.